going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today we're working on a 2006 Nissan Pathfinder with a 4-liter V6, and I'm going to show you how to change the oil. First thing you're going to do is pop the hood. Loosen this cap here. This is where you fill the oil. Dipstick is right here. Tools and supplies you're going to need are an oil filter wrench, socket set, oil catch can, 6 quarts of oil, and a filter. There'll be links down below to all the tools and supplies used in the video. First thing we're going to do is come under here with the 10mm and loosen this window here where the oil filter is. And it'll just kind of swing out of the way. And the oil filter is right up there. And there's a slide here for the oil to catch the oil and drain it into a pan, so we don't have to remove this whole cover. If you don't have one of these covers, then you're not gonna have to do any of this. But you can get in there with an oil filter wrench if you can't get it loose with your hand. You can come in from the side and go up and over this way if you need room. So we're gonna put our catch can there. Coming in through the window here. And we're just loosening it up. Going counterclockwise with it. Parked on a little bit of a hill, so it's kind of running backwards, but normally it comes out right through this window here. You don't make a mess. Now I can just slide down out through there. Next, the drain plug for the oil pan is right there. We're going to let this finish draining out. We're going to put an oil filter back up there. Put a little bit of clean oil around this rubber piece here. I mean, there's plenty up there on the oil filter adapter really, but just to be safe. Okay. Now we're going to slide this back underneath the drain plug there. And it's a 14mm. Now would be a good time to replace this copper washer on the oil drain plug here. I'll wipe everything up. Because I'm parked on a little bit of a hill, I'm going to jack the other side of the car up just to tip the oil pan this way a little more so it drains out. If you're on flat ground, you won't have to worry about that. Alright, now that it's drained out, we're going to put the oil plug back in. It's a 14 millimeter. We're going to tighten it down to... I'll put the torque spec on the screen. Now we're going to slide this back over, tighten these two 10 millimeter bolts back down. Slide the drain pan out. Dispose of your oil properly, and when you remove your oil filter, you want to make sure that the seal came off with the oil filter and it's not stuck on the engine. Otherwise your new filter is not going to seal. And now we're going to come up here, remove this. We're going to add 5.3 quarts. We're going to put the lid back on and check the dipstick. Since it hasn't circulated in through the oil filter, it'll probably read a little bit high until we start the engine and run it for about a minute. That's a little bit high, but we'll run it and it'll probably go down. So we're going to go inside and start it and make sure it's not leaking. And you're going to note your mileage so you know when to do the next oil change, and that's about it. High five, you did it. Thanks for watching.